Hello everyone. I am Vivin Sharma and this is my project StartupSprint AI. StartupSprint AI is a multi-agent startup validation platform built using Google's Agent Development Kit. It helps entrepreneurs validate startup ideas through specialized AI agents that work together to generate structured business insights. Many aspiring entrepreneurs have great startup ideas but struggle to validate them before investing time and money. They often need to perform market research, competitor analysis, business planning, and prepare an investor pitch. Startup Sprint AI simplifies this entire workflow using multiple specialized AI agents. Here's the architect of Startup Sprint AI. The user submits a startup idea, which is first handled by the orchestrator agent. The orchestrator delegates tasks to four specialized agents. First, idea analyzer, then market research, business strategy, and then to the pitch generator. Each agent performs a dedicated task independently, and the orchestrator combines their outputs into a single startup validation report. The project was built using Google ADK and Python. Here in agent.py, each AI agent has its own dedicated instructions and responsibility, making the system modular and easy to extend. For configuration, I use environment variables through the .env template, and sensitive files such as API keys are excluded from the repository using git ignore. Now I will demonstrate how Startup Sprint AI works in practice. The user provides a startup idea along with a few basic business details such as the target audience and available budget. The orchestrator agent receives the request and delegates it to four specialized AI agents. Instead of generating a single response, each agent focuses on one specific responsibility before returning its results. The first section summarizes the startup idea and explains the core business concept. Next, the market research agent analyzes the target audience, competitors, market demand, and potential opportunities. The business strategy agent recommends practical monetization and growth strategies based on the startup idea. Finally, the pitch generator transforms all of these analyses into a concise, investor ready pitch. The trace view clearly shows how the orchestrator coordinated all four specialized agents throughout the execution. This demonstrates the multi agent workflow implemented using Google Agent Development Kit. Next, beyond generating insights, Startup Sprint AI provides entrepreneurs with practical recommendations, including execution milestones, budget allocation, and prioritized next steps. The goal is not just to analyze an idea, but to help founders move from concept to execution through a structured decision making process. Startup Sprint AI demonstrates how multiple specialized AI agents can collaborate to solve a real world business problem. This project was built using Google's Agent Development Kit with a modular multi agent architecture, secure configuration practices, and comprehensive documentation for reproducibility. Thank you for watching.